Sorry guys that I ended it again. I'm sorry. That's a recent video. I'm just recording. But guys, I'm back in this. I found something you might like. A call! And but I'm dumb. I, I don't know how this. I need a call just to make you know it. It's one more. One more.
Mali mo yun, Pe. Sa totoo lang.
Let me use water. Water. Like this. And bring this. Bring an iron.
Ikaw kasi ko yun.
Call. Okay.
Hindi mo ginawa yan, pre.
Let me tibag first.
Hindi ako mag-share. Pre, hindi ko namin nasa ganito kasi nakita namin yun.
Oh! Ah! What's this? I'm so confused, but I don't know what is it. No. I just want to grab that. Ayo. Wait. I forgot I'm so dumb, bro. I found the pickaxe. I have a pickaxe now. You can mine a pickaxe. By the way, look at this. Wait. Well, I'm done. Yeah. Right.
Tagal yan, par. Tapos sa dungeon mo kaya itong makuha.
Ah! What?
Kasi naman po yung issue.
Let's try it again. Oh, thank God. She just knocked me out instead of killing me then. Second.
Yung ano, test subject.
Salmon. Need a cook salmon. Just. By the way, guys, look at these my settings. In my peaceful mode, I will use easy mode when I get to the nether. So.
Lalaro na nga lang, pre. Ano ba yun? Sinaway kasi, pre. Napansin na.
Thanks.
Nagalit yung sabi.
It's so close, man. What about that? Let's start. No mind. I'm just again. Fine. I'm gonna break all this. Contain. Kita! Naka-back up down. Grabe guys. It's plenty. Oh! What's that? Is it that?
Mango.
Okay, let me dig more. So I can fight. And then.
Siyempre, lahat pinapansin.
Oh! What's that, bro? Haha. Irons. I have irons now. I don't care about them. Let me buy lab.
Siguro na naabot natin yung dragon. Hindi namin nasa
Excel.
si ano, si Alexis Serena, si ano, si Pipaya, si
So gagapihili by
ano yung
joking and just this. Wait, I'm going to cut it. Guys, I'm back.
dalawang pixie gago.
But I'm just cutting up iron ingots.
So, man.
Not everything about the. What? No. I don't want. I want my pickaxe, but what can I make in this? Let me see. Oh. Let me make some crafting table.
Rio? Sander? Gago.
No, I wanna. I remember.
Alam ko na nakita
Let
mo
me,
sa paano.
let me find some nether, and bye bye. Eh? I know. You're so. It's so fast. Wait, let me cut it again. Because it's about to be in 8 minutes. Guys, where did I come? I'm just mining. Huh? Oh, what? What? Let me break this over now. I'll just keep mining. Nah, let's mine it. Alright. What?
Private jet naman po rin.
No, let me cut the video again. Wala, nagdidig daw na ako. Dig ako ng dig. What's... Wow! What's this? And portal. Oh, pumatang. Oh! Legit! Obsidian?
Hindi, kasi kailangan.
Ay.
Ito, ang daming labo.
No, diyan ako nag ano.
Ito, ayon. Hindi, iba yun. Hindi na kasya dito, bawal mo naman sirain yun. Ito na lang gawin mo. Dabita. Dabiga. Place ka block dito. Place ka water dito.
Tapos paano? No! Yo!
Break din to.
Hindi ako na
Hindi yung pag ano ko.
Hindi pa
Kailangan mo-
tatlo mo to.
Ha?
Tatlo mo yung ano, ayun na. Yung obsidian.
Tapos kailangan mo. Hindi. 1. Ay.
Hindi tatlo nga to. Dalawa sinadigat mo eh. Kaya kailangan naman dito.
Ayan.
Mama, hindi.
Pag pinlace ko yung water dito, doon na ano.
Baka nag-GGS ah.
Ganyan nila dito yung water. Namali ako ng ano. Dali. Ito, 3. Ba yun? Yung infinite water. Titignan natin kung pwede ba yung infinite water source. 1. Okay.
Ano infinite water source?
Parang ano, Okay.
Wait, 10 minutes na.
Ayun ko na lang to. Hindi. Oh. Kailangan na kayo sa pander. Ito na ramay mo. Diyan. Rahin mo to. Malendang natin to. Bawal siya.
Ano? Ano yun?
Infinite water source. Yung para siyang dalawang water. Ayun, bawal. Palakihin na lang natin to. Wala yung mga ibang lava. Eliminate nyo yung laban na to. Palakihin natin dito.
Ang gagawa mo? Ano?
Ang
Cobblestone?
dami pala. Ay, bakit nilagay mo dyan? Ay,
Wait lang. And,
Dali.
and. What? What is this? Hindi. Ano? Okay. What's this? But we guys have to go now. Bye.